Good morning, everyone. I hope I am audible. Yeah, we were solving cofactor of the matrix, that is 3 and 5 is over. Now, next, cofactor of 5, that will be second row, first column. So, -1 second row plus first column into the minor. So, the minor of 5, the minor of 5 is 5 again. So, you will have 5, which is nothing but -1 to the power 3 into 5. So, -1 into 5 is -5. And then cofactor of 12, that's going to be second row, second column, which is equal to -1 to the power 2 plus 2 into what is the minor of 12? The minor of 12 will be 3. Okay. So, the minor of 12 is 3. So, -1 to the power 4 into 3. So, 1 into 3, which will be 3. So, therefore, cofactor of B is equal to, you'll get 12 minus 5 and 3. This is the cofactor. Now let us find the adjoint of a cofactor. Sorry, adjoint of a cofactor. So adjoint B is nothing but cofactor B transpose. Okay. So what is cofactor? Cofactor is 12 minus 5 minus 5 3 transpose. So adjoint B will be, the first row will become the first column. So 12 minus 5. Second row will become the second column, minus 5 and 3. So here the matrix will remain same, almost same, because this -5 and -5 here in this diagonal matrix, this is same along with the sign. So that is why the matrix remains same. Okay. So next we have to find out B inverse, that is nothing but adjoint B divided by determinant of B. So adjoint B is 12 minus 5 minus 5 3. Determinant of B, what is the value that we got? Determinant of B is 11. So therefore B inverse is going to become 12 by 11, 12 by 11 minus 5 by 11 minus 5 by 11, 3 by 11. This will be the required answer. So this is B inverse matrix. Understood? Any doubts until here? Okay, good. Now, this is the next problem. Find the inverse of A. Again, it's a 2 into 2 matrix. Now, try solving this. Try solving this. Try to find out the inverse. Let's see how much you can solve. Determinant A is equal to 0. Okay, so what do we do when the determinant A is equal to 0? So what is the first condition? What will happen? 4 into 9 minus 6 into 6. So 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So therefore determinant A value is equal to 0. Yeah, we get determinant A is 0. So we can't proceed. Okay. Any more answers? Now what is this type of a matrix called? Sorry, determinant. When determinant A is equal to 0, what is it called? Very good, Bhavya. It is a singular matrix. So we can, no, it's not singular. Non-singular means whenever you get the value. Now previously we got 11, right? So that is non-singular. When it is singular, yes, when it is singular matrix, it will be equal to 0. Very good. So just write the conclusion saying that since A is singular, A is a singular matrix, that is determinant of A is equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse does not exist. Okay, A inverse does not exist. Yeah, you cannot proceed. You can just say A inverse does not exist. Correct. A is a singular matrix. Everybody's answer is right. Very good. Understood? So the very important condition that you have to check first is what is the value of determinant A. If the determinant A has some value given apart from 0, then you can write A inverse exists and then you can continue the problem. If not, you can say A inverse does not exist. Okay, now moving on to the next problem. Now we have to learn how to find the inverse for 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, now here we have a 3 into 3 matrix, that is X. So X is the 3 into 3 matrix where they have given this matrix here. Let us try to solve this. So solution. So X inverse is equal to adjoint of X divided by determinant of X. Correct? Adjoint of X divided by determinant of X. So we have to first find out determinant of X. Now can you find out determinant of X and give me the answer? So what will be the determinant? 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, minus 1. Only first row you have to find out. When you're finding determinant, only first row. So 1, what is the position sign? Plus minus plus will be the positional sign. Are you all able to follow? Do you remember? Okay, good. Now start solving. Yes. Start solving. So 1 into, what will be the minor? Let us write all the steps. What will be the minor? 4, 5, 2, minus 1. And then minus 2 into minus 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. And then plus of minus 3 into minus 3, 4, 1, 2. Good. Correct? Is this answer right? I mean, the procedure is correct? Four, 5, 2, minus 1. Pawan, it's not minus 2, 1. Please check. Okay, Spurti already gave me the answer of determinant x, that is equal to 20. Correct, Spurti. Very good. Now go on to the next step. You can continue. Okay. Now after this step, we are supposed to find the it's okay, Pawan. Doesn't matter. Just correct it. Okay. So in the next step, we are supposed to simplify it. So 1 into, so 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, minus 5 2s are 10. Then minus 2 into 3, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, minus 5 1s are 5. Then plus of minus 3 this is, so I will take it as minus 3 only directly. So minus 3 into 3 2s are, minus 3 into 2 is 6, and then minus 4. So 1 into minus 14, 2 into minus 2, minus 3 into minus 10. So minus 14, minus 4, sorry, plus 4, plus 30, plus 30. Therefore, determinant of x is equal to 20. Everybody got determinant of x is equal to 20? Good. Now, since you can write that, since determinant of x is not equal to 0, x inverse exist. X inverse exist. Okay. Now what is the next step? Next step is finding adjoint of x, which is nothing but cofactor of x transpose. Cofactor of x transpose. So let us find out the adjoint for cofactors for every element that is there. Okay. So first one, cofactor of, what is our matrix? 1 2 minus 3, minus 3 4 5, 1 2 minus 1. Now the first element is 1. So cofactor of 1, that is nothing but C, first row, first column, is equal to minus 1 to the power first row plus first column into what is the matrix, minor. What is the minor for 1? Can anybody say what is the minor for 1? Okay, correct, Spurti. This is a 3 into 3 matrix. Guys, this is a 3 into 3 matrix. How do we find the minor? It is not 2 into 2 matrix. How do you find a minor in 3 into 3 matrix? See, that is where you will go wrong. Be very careful. Just because we have solved 2 into 2 matrix, we should not stick with the same thing. Okay. So here, what we will be doing, we will have to delete this first column and first row, and what is remaining? 4, 5, 2 and minus 1. So that will become 4, 5, 2 and minus 1 is the minor. Understood? Now simplify this. Minus 1 square into 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, minus 5 2s are 10. So minus 1 square is 1 into minus 4 minus 10 is minus 14. So the cofactor of 1 will be minus 14. Correct? Okay. Now moving on to the second cofactor. Cofactor of 2 is equal to C first row second column. Be careful with this. First row second column. Then minus 1 to the power first row plus second column. And then can you say me the minor? What will be the values of minor here? Minus 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. Any more answers? Cofactor of 2 is 2. No, Ashwini. It should be minus 2. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if it's 2 or minus 2. Okay, say me the minor. Minus 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. So minus 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 to the power 3 into 3 into 1 is 3 minus 5 ones are 5. So minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, minus into minus plus. Correct. Your answer is correct. Spurti, minus into minus is plus, right? So it will be plus 2. It won't be minus 2. It will be plus 2. Okay. Now, next cofactor. Quickly. Cofactor of minus 3, first row, third column, minus 1, 1 plus 3, that is first row plus third column, into what is the minor? Minus 3, 4, 1 and 2. Correct. Cofactor of minus 3 is minus 10. Now go on, solve the next one quickly. So minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 2s are 6 minus 4 1s are 4. So 1 into minus 10 will be minus 10. Next. See, since we have already solved all of these concepts, I am going a little fast to finish the problem. Okay. So cofactor of next one is 4. You want me to slow down? Are you able to understand? You want me to slow down? Okay, okay, good. Continue. Finish the problem. So the cofactor of 4 is going to be second row, first column. So minus 1, 2 plus 1 and the minor. What will be the minor? 1. Second row. This is for 4. Yeah. So that will be 1 minus 3 and then 1 minus 1. Gauri, check the cofactor properly. Oh wait, did I take which minus 3? I have to again solve for minus 3, right? Yeah, I think I missed that. Okay. We'll solve for minus 3 and then come for 4. My bad. Minus 3, that will be second row, first column. So minus 1, 2 plus 1. And then, yeah, now it is for minus 3. If you take out, it will be 2, minus 3, 2 and minus 1. Correct. So again, cofactor of minus 3 is minus 4. Correct. Continue. Minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus of minus 6. So minus 1. 2 minus 2 plus 6 will give me 4. So it will be minus 4. Okay. Next. Cofactor of 4, that will be C, second row, second column, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Determinant. What will be the minor now? For 4, 1 minus 3, 1 and minus 1. Yeah, correct. So for 4, what is the answer you got? 2. Correct. Pawan, that is the right answer. Continue. Minus 1 to the power 4 into minus 1 minus of minus 3. So 1 into minus 1 plus 3 will give me, yeah, this is minus 1 plus 3. So this is gonna give me 2. Okay. Yes. Next. Cofactor of 5, that is second row, third column. So minus 1, 2 plus 3. What will be the minor? 1, 2, 1, 2. So minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 ones are 2, minus 2 ones are 2. So this will be minus 1 into 0. So that is 0. Cofactor. Okay, you're giving me the full table. Okay, that's a little confusing to understand. Just wait a second. Minus 14, 2, minus 10. Minus 4, 2, 0 and 22, 4 and 10. Correct. Correct, Spurti. Now continue with the next procedure. Now last row, cofactor of 1, that is third row, first column. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. What will be the minor? 2 minus 3, 4, 5. So minus 1 to the power 4 into 2 5s are 10, minus of 3 4s are minus 12. Okay. So 1 into 10 plus 12 will be 22. And then cofactor of 2. So third row, second column, minus 1 to the power third row plus second column. And what will be the minor? 1 minus 3 minus 3, 5. So minus 1 to the power 5 into 5 minus of minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. So this will be minus 1 into minus 4, which is nothing but 4. Okay. And then finally, cofactor of minus 1 is equal to third row, third column. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 and the minor 1, 2 minus 3, 4 is equal to minus 1 to the power 6 into 4 ones are 4 plus y plus because minus into minus. Let's write like that. Minus 6. So 1 into 4 plus 6, which is nothing but 10. So therefore, cofactor of x is equal to minus 14, 2 minus 10, then minus 4, 2, 0, and then 22, 4, 10. Yeah. Everybody got the answer? Everybody got the same answer? Cofactor of x? Any doubts until here? Okay. Now let us finish that inverse. Now after this, we are supposed to find out adjoint of x, correct? So next, adjoint of x is nothing but cofactor of x transpose. So what is cofactor of x? Minus 14, 2, minus 10, minus 4, 2, 0, and then 22, 4, and 10. Transpose. So your first row will become the first column. So what is the first row? Minus 14, 2, minus 10. And then second row will become second column. That is minus 4, 2, and 0. Third row will become third column, 22, 4, and 10. So this is adjoint of x. Now finally, x inverse of x is adjoint of x divided by determinant of x. So what is adjoint of x, which we just found out? Minus 14, minus 4, 22, 2, 2, 4, and then minus 10, 0, and 10 divided by what is determinant of a value, sorry, determinant of x value? 20. Okay, 20 is the value. Now do the division for everything. Okay, so minus 14 by 20, minus 4 by 20, 22 by 20, 2 by 20, 2 by 20, 4 by 20, minus 10 by 20, 0 by 20, and 10 by 20. Now I think we can do some cancellation here. 2 sevens are, 2 tens are, 2 twos are, 2 tens are, 2 elevens are, 2 tens are, ones are, tens are, same thing, 2, 10, 5, 10, this is anyway 0. So 5 and 10. So therefore x inverse, what do you get as x inverse? 7 by, sorry, minus 7 by 10. Minus will remain as it is everywhere. So minus 7 by 10, 2 by 10, 11 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, minus 5 by 10, 0, and then 5 by 10. Here you can further you can do the cancellation of, see, you can divide this. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are. You can do this further. Okay, that then whatever you get, that will be the correct value. That is the inverse. So this is x inverse. Understood? Any doubts? Okay, so this actually completes your matrix chapter. Okay, all these after this, all of these are practice problems. Everybody has to practice all of these problems. If you see, there is a 3 into 3 matrix. 3 into 3 matrix inverse will be compulsorily asked in the examination because it has so many procedures to be followed. Okay, so all of these practice questions of inverse has to be solved, and Apart from that, there are a little more practice questions of minors and cofactors and adjoint that I will be sharing it. Okay, I want you to solve all of this. Clear? Understood? Now these practice questions, the minor cofactor, these practice questions, I want you to solve it in the blue book. Okay, so this has to be solved in the blue book. But these problems, you can solve them in the classwork itself. There is no problem. Understood? Any doubts in the inverse? Any part of it you want me to explain it again? Carefully go through your classwork once. Go through your complete classwork of inverse concept. Check anywhere you have any doubts, any part of the problem you want me to explain it again, or any concept you want me to repeat. No doubts? Okay, very good.